Hello and welcome to my boat and my life. Today we're doing a short trip just near Nyköping. Follow along and don't forget to subscribe. I have no idea what I discuss with my boat neighbor here. Let me know in the comments if you want to see trips from other countries on the world. The wind is going to help me here to blow away from the dock. I just have to jump aboard and through the ropes. Oh, another try of that one. Hey! And remember, no ropes in the water. In and out to Nyköping, you have to pass through this digged channel. But outside of it, the archipelago open up and it's just beautiful. I prepare with the 50-meter lines and I want to see where the end is, so the end doesn't slip between the lines and build a knot. Boat thruster on, stern anchor winch on, and I back up a bit and move to report. It's shallow here, so this is more than enough. The area around Rensholmen have hundreds of spots you can choose of. This one I've never tried before. And for all you that asking me about docking and how I do the docking and what I do, it's going to be a clip in the end when I do this docking again.
Don't look back, we're here to stay. A life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die, looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who will never let go. Just watch us run to where no one knows. We'll never grow. We'll never grow. Don't look back, we're here to stay. A life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die, looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who will never let go. Just watch us run to where no one knows. We'll never grow. We'll never grow.
Choose a good spot for your anchor, for that will be fixed. Everything else you can move around. Go slowly, but put the engines in gear just a short time. If you're using one engine, the boat will turn slightly, and you can use this to compensate for the wind or the current. And the same will happen when I slow down by hitting the reverse. I have the anchor winch on the port side, and that also affects the boat to turning at port. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.